So the last part, it's the guitar solo on the intro. Let me just play it once for you so that you can listen to it, and then I'll explain it. As usual, I will break it down in 3 steps. First step, understanding which notes we're going to play. And we start on the E, which is the 5th space on the 2nd string. And then we move to D, the 3rd space. And you'll notice I'm playing 8 notes in each one. Or you can do it with one finger. Then we move to G sharp and F sharp. Okay, so G sharp and F sharp, which are on the 9th and the 7th. So we always have pairs of notes. From E to D, then from G sharp to F sharp, and now from G sharp again to D, and finally from D to E, and one last note in C sharp here on the 2nd. I will leave a chart for you so that you understand this better. So let me just play this like this with the music. Next step here, when you hear the music, you can hear that they move, they slide the note very purposefully. Like this. Trick is to start moving the finger. You remember there are 8 notes, 8 repeated notes each time. So the string is to use the last one to move the finger. So that on the first group of notes, on the first note of each group, each time you move, you're already there. Let's try it. practice doing this. And the last step, and this is optional, is that when you play the G sharp for the second time, you can also put your another finger, maybe your index finger, in the 7th space in the first string and play both. You see? So, like this. Once more with the song.